All right, so I figured I'd pop onto the vlog real quick. I just bought a house to flip. I closed this morning. This is a house on Berrywood Lane, so I'll probably call it the Berrywood flip. And I figured I would bring you guys along the journey as much as I possibly can. Man, I gotta work on the lighting. Boom. You're on the vlog today, man. I figured I'd vlog the flip experience.
Nice.
What do you think?
Oh, awesome.
You guys remember David? Man, you got a lot of comments, man. Everyone loved you. Yeah, they like Rigo too.
Oh man,
Yeah,
I like it.
Rigo's
That's
the man.
nice.
All right, well, let's go in and see what we got, man. I know I got the AC all cranking. We need to knock down.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can just prime it. We can put
Just prime it, paint it.
We're gonna remove the.
Yeah, I'm thinking, man. We remember we were gonna demo this entire wall. I'm thinking this is load bearing because we got the joists, the rafters, and it's conventional frame like this. And so I looked up in the wall, and these rafters are sitting on this wall, so they're load bearing. So I'd say maybe just cut this back to maybe here, cut this back to about here, and just open this up a little bit. You know, case the drywall around it, keep it basic, and then frame in that door. Get rid of this pantry. Of course, demo the entire kitchen. And then put up maybe like a U-shape.
You still want to keep this one?
No.
Demo this one.
Demolition.
Okay, demolition.
See,
Perfect.
my Spanish is getting really good.
No, it's really good. It's starting to get really good.
I know.
Then you're gonna get a video in Spanish next year.
A video in Spanish?
Next year.
Man,
Yeah.
talk to them in Spanish, man.
Tell
Tell them how good Barriadas is, man.
In Spanish? No,
Yeah.
they don't. They don't.
Oh, they don't know.
Yeah.
Well, it's all dark. But like Barriadas, man, they're so good. Dave was showing me the ropes on
Okay,
Espanol food.
Okay, we're gonna keep this closet. Man, that's a nice closet.
It's a nice closet, man. Check this out. On the flooring, we go with LVP or whatever, and just go right over this tile, man. What do we got? Oh, wow. Oh, man. That is funny.
It's alright. We're good.
It's good, man. We'll go right over
We
it.
just remove this one.
Yep. Remove the tack strip.
Yeah, but this one we're gonna demo.
No. Refinish. We'd refinish the tub and the tile. It's like $400, man. And they'll come in here and sand it down and epoxy this thing to look brand new, white. No reason to demo it, man. But we'll refinish this.
It's
Paint this. Keep this. Swap that. Everything will be chrome. I got 2 can lights going in here. Those Julison,
okay.
same as my house.
Yeah, this one is okay.
It's good, yeah. And we could just do we can even leave this mirror, but you know, oh, there's us. We can even do some drywall skimming here when you rip the.
Oh yeah. We just put a half inch. I mean a quarter right here.
Perfect.
Same thing, right?
Yeah.
It's
Just
not big.
so when it comes to a flip, it's like a completely different atmosphere as far as budget, time frame, all these things, you know, because I have a bunch of buddies that just flip like 7 homes a month and stuff like that or more, and they're like, man, you just on these lower end, like this is I'm gonna sell this for under 200,000. I'm probably gonna sell it for maybe 180, 185, 179. We'll see what happens. But I bought it for 117, so I want to put like 30, 35 grand into it and get it gone. This is the master bathroom, super small. Gonna keep it basic. Gonna leave the shower. Just gonna do new vanity, toilet. All the fixtures will be fresh. All new painting. We're gonna swap the HVAC unit. We're gonna keep the alarm unit. And
Oh, actually they don't need a plug.
I'm gonna wrap up this video. Then we'll talk, David. But yeah, we'll rip out all this paneling. Yeah, there's plumbing on that wall, but we can drywall patch here. There's a shed in the back. We'll demo that. This is more over there. Boom. Demo that. And okay, David, any parting words? Maybe adios.
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana, amigo.
Hey, maybe tomorrow in the afternoon you're gonna see different.
Yeah, we could do another video, man.
Yeah. All
These quick little edits aren't hard to post up on YouTube. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, okay, demo this one.